Bridges and tunnels. Leo and Lily are sitting on the train. The train glides smoothly along the tracks. They look out the window, very excited. "Where are we going?" asks Lily. "To Grandpa and Grandma's house," replies Leo with a smile. Outside, the scenery rushes by. Trees, houses, and then a big river. The water sparkles in the sun. "Oh no," says Lily. "The river is blocking the way. How will the train get across?" Leo points his finger ahead. "Look, Lily. What's that?" In the distance, a huge structure is taking shape. It has big metal legs and long cables that reach up to the sky. The train enters the structure. It's a bridge, a giant suspension bridge that goes over the water. The train rolls along on its own tracks. "Wow," says Lily. "The bridge is like a magic path over the water." Leo nods. People built it so trains could cross without getting wet. The train leaves the bridge and continues to travel through the countryside. Soon, a huge mountain covered in forests rises up before them. "Now what?" asks Lily. "The train can't climb that mountain." The train doesn't slow down. It heads straight for the mountain. Suddenly, everything goes dark. The light from the window is gone. "Where are we?" whispers Lily, a little worried. "Don't be scared," says Leo. "We're in a tunnel," he explains. "People dug a big hole through the mountain so the train could go straight through." And suddenly, the light returns. The train comes out on the other side of the mountain. The sun is shining again. Lily claps her hands. It's like a secret passage. A little further on, they see another river, a smaller one this time. A lovely stone bridge with arches crosses it. "A bridge," shout Leo and Lily at the same time. They know what it is now. The train then passes through a hill. "A tunnel," says Leo. "But it's much shorter," notices Lily. In just a few seconds, they are already on the other side. Finally, the train slows down and pulls into a station. On the platform, Grandpa and Grandma are waiting, waving enthusiastically. The journey is over. Leo and Lily can't wait to tell them all about what they saw, the giant bridges and the mysterious tunnels.